Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for the geography class. Open to page number 28. And today we are going to study about the impacts of geography and history. Impact of geography on history. As I read for you, please follow. Geographical factors have a great influence on the history of a country. The Indian subcontinent has distinct geographical features. The vast northern Indo-Gangetic plains around which humans settled first were very fertile. Thus, many kingdoms emerged in these plains. The great Himalayas in the north acted as a barrier between India and Central Asia. But people use the passes in the mountains as the routes of contact. These routes of contact were used for different purposes. Traders traveled along these routes to buy and to sell goods. People from cold, arid places came here in search of livelihood. Many tribes entered India from the north, western side, present day Pakistan and Afghanistan. Through the mountain passes, religious leaders used these routes to spread their messages. Some traders returned home, while others settled down to make India their homelands. They exchanged many ideas and tradition. They taught as many as learned from the people living here. The exchange of ideas resulted in the development of a unique culture. Many ideas were retained, while others underwent change. All early civilizations developed along with the river valley. Farming resulted in the production of many food than was required. This allowed people to engage in professions other than farming. Thus, geographical factors have a great impact on the history of a region. So as you can see here, students, that how was the impact of geography on history. Okay, here it says people travel along with these routes to buy what? Buy and sell goods. Okay, and here says most of the western countries, present day Pakistan and Afghanistan, they came through the mountains, and religious leaders used these routes to spread their what? Messages. And some traders returned home, while others settled down to make India their homelands. And here says all early civilization developed along the river valley, and farming resulted in the production of more food than was required. And this allowed people to engage in profession and other than farming, and thus the geographical factors have a great impact on the history of a region. Okay, so we are through with the lesson number 2, and in the next class we are going to do the exercises. Answer the questions given by choosing the most appropriate alternative and fill the blanks and so on. Okay, thank you all of you, and God bless you all.